Unveiled at the IDEF 2025 exhibition in Istanbul, the GYURZA 02 signals a bold step forward for Ukraine's armored vehicle sector. Manufactured by UKR ARMO TECH, this cutting-edge wheeled vehicle is tailored for frontline operations such as troop movement, reconnaissance, and fire support across varied and demanding terrains. Its striking physical features, most notably a side-mounted cage armor, immediately caught attention on the showroom floor. This design detail isn't aesthetic, it's a tactical response to the rising use of drones and shape-charge munitions, offering layered defense in hostile environments. Far from being a routine personnel carrier, the GYURZA 02 reflects a battlefield-tested evolution shaped by Ukraine's wartime realities. The platform melds direct combat experience with a flexible, export-oriented production model. UKR ARMO TECH's presence at this prominent Eurasian defense gathering also demonstrates Ukraine's determination to remain a serious player in the global arms market despite ongoing domestic conflict. The vehicle is built upon a double wishbone suspension system, supporting a hefty 18-ton payload. Power comes from a Cummins ISDA 6.7-330 engine, allowing the GYURZA 02 to reach speeds of up to 110 km per hour. Inside, it can transport 11 personnel, including the driver, and is engineered for maximum maneuverability both on and off paved roads. In terms of defense, it provides protection equivalent to NATO STANAG 4569 levels 2 and 3, with optional packages that include blackout systems, CBRN filtration, and electronic warfare enhancements. What truly distinguishes this vehicle is the integration of lessons directly from the battlefield. Since 2022, Ukrainian troops have provided extensive feedback, enabling engineers to fine-tune the platform to real-world threats. The development process relies on rapid prototyping, internal testing, and complete vertical integration. As of mid-2025, over 10 tailored configurations are under development, each customized to specific operational requirements. Compared with other armored platforms, such as the US-built Oshkosh MATV or Poland's TUR-V, the GYURZA 02 stands out for its modular build and pre-installed defensive systems. Many competitors require post-production upgrades to counter drone threats, but Ukraine's offering includes net shielding, autonomous threat detection software, and optional unmanned weapon stations from the outset. AI-driven systems such as Tactic AI further elevate the vehicle's responsiveness in complex environments, making it an ideal choice for both regular and special operations units. The unveiling also carries strategic weight. By showcasing the GYURZA 02 at IDEF, Ukraine positions itself not just as a recipient of foreign military aid, but as a capable producer and exporter of next-gen military technology. Turkey's role as host amplifies that message, offering Ukraine exposure to key markets in Central Asia, North Africa, and the Caucasus. With scalable production potential and compatibility with NATO standards, the GYURZA 02 represents a fusion of battlefield necessity and industrial ambition. In essence, the GYURZA 02 is more than a vehicle, it's a tactical system tailored for today's hybrid warfare. It addresses emerging threats not with theoretical solutions, but with combat-proven technology, built for the realities of 21st-century conflict. By aligning speed, survivability, and modularity into a single platform, Ukraine offers not just a machine, but a message. It is innovating through adversity and reshaping the future of ground warfare.